In this lesson, we're going to talk about tabular join. Remember, when you do a tabular join, you're taking a feature class file and taking a table and joining them together to form a new feature class file. There must be, of course, a common column in the feature class file that you're starting with and also in the table so that they can be correctly put together. So we're going to look at how we do this in Python. So again, this is tabular join. The stuff up here at the top is the same as we've seen before, all the way down to here. So that whole area is the same. Comments and importing. We're using the same geodatabase as we've used for some other examples. So the geodatabase's path is to KY1 geodatabase. And then the first command is actually the join field command, which is the tabular join. So we put in here the feature class file and the common column. We put in here the table, which in this case is in in_Clark_income, and its appropriate field. Remember, this field and this field, the one in the feature class and the one in the table, must be of the same format type. So they both must be text or they both must be numeric. So you can see those two. And that is the join command. But just as when we did tabular join using ArcGIS Pro, you run into the same issue that you've got to save this then out to make it permanent. So I created a variable called output, as you can see here. And then what we're going to do is we have to tell it where are the feature classes that we started with. So notice this and this are the same. So that's the feature class we started with. And then we tell it the output. And in this case, we made output a variable. And you can see what the name of the output is. If we then go back and check in our geodatabase, we should find this new feature class file. And if we find that file, then we should be able to open it, and it should look something like this. So we've done a little bit of symbology on it, and this is population that we're looking at, and so therefore you can see the higher population areas are in the more purplish colors, and you can see the result of doing our script.